Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we're Saturday, March the 19th. As you can see in the back here, this is the province of Quebec, and I live in Saguenay region. As you can see here, this is a frontal system going up north. The blue here, it's snow, and the green here, it's rain, and they even have a thunderstorm. We're going to have snow. They're calling roughly for 15 centimeters of snow today and tomorrow total. We had a great meltdown yesterday. On Friday it was really nice. It went to +4, but very nice. And yeah, but the winter for us, it's not finished. I see you guys down south with t-shirts and all right. Now, what I want to talk to you about is I received a nice letter from Hillside hacker. So I'm gonna open it. Let's open it right now. I'm just gonna put it like this. There we go. So it's I sharpened it again. I'm just gonna put the camera a little bit more in the back. All right. So you put a thank you for the support of your channel, Richie and Christy. So hello Richie, thank you very much, thank you very kindly, and Christy too. And both these good young folks are very good, good worker. They are busy. A lot of stuff happened to them, and all my heart go towards them. And please keep up your good work. And thank you very kindly for giving me your 2 stickers. And I will put that in my kitchen cupboard. Let's do that. All right. Cheers. All right. So I'm gonna put their sticker into an Air Force, my Air Force cup, because they have a very small airport, just a private owned airport beside their house, close nearby. So I'm gonna put their nice letter inside my cup here, and I'm gonna put their sticker right in front of them, right in front like this. All right, and just move it like this. So again, Richie and Christy, thank you very kindly to send me this sticker, and please keep up the good work that you have. And also, I just do I also do a recap. So yes, go see ahead the live stream and video on his Cluttered Garage channel. GP, well, the name said it all. There's also Joseph, hello Joseph, from Garter Tractor Boy, and he's also making new videos on Wednesday now for his metal work with all the various mailings that he's got, and his father Lane. Also my good friend Luke from Orange is my new green, and his lovely wife and all family. I love the video with his granddaughter. She was very joyful to see. And also, hey Grampie, bonjour Grampie. Grampie workshop in Nova Scotia, and of course Seb Labombe with his cup changing my color. And of course my good David from Pale Horse Outdoor. I need to articulate more. All right, and again, Hillside Hiker, please thank you kindly for all your sticker and support to my channel. Also, I like to ride. It's good practicing for me. So please take care of yourself. I'm gonna maybe do a short video tomorrow for the I'm just gonna show you that before I go. Like you can tell, see the streets are it's on the asphalt, because it was really warm yesterday. It went to +4 Celsius, and it was starting to melt, but I still have snowbank. So the video tomorrow, I will probably on Monday, we'll see. So you will see all that white powder again, and it's supposed to be windy too. So all right, so thank you again. Cheers.